This barbecue chicken, oh my god, it be so juicy, smoky, and I make am right for my house. If you want see as I make this chicken, then keep watching and share this video. No dry chicken here oh. This one soft and full of flavors, very easy to make. Did you see am? Make una watch, make I show una how I make am. Today I go show una how I make this homemade barbecue chicken step by step. Na 3 chicken I make in total. You don see the chicken? I don take off all the skin because I no need that skin. I get whipping cream for here. We go use that one for moisturize our chicken. We get soy sauce. So these two things na the first thing wey we go use marinate our chicken with, so that any other seasoning wey we go add, e go enter very well for inside our chicken. After we don rub our chicken with the soy sauce and also the whipping cream, we go massage am well well for inside. Then we go start add our other seasoning dem wey that one dem e dey na for powder form. This process you no suppose rush am. You suppose take your time to do am bit by bit, so that all the spices, all the seasoning go enter inside the chicken, even inside the bone. As you dey see, when I pour my spices for this side, I go turn the chicken for the other side. You see now the inside chest that I go rub all the spices there inside. Everything I go massage am very very well. Make sure so you know the rush am, because we want all that flavor they make dey enter for that chicken very well. Na 3 chicken in total, and I go make am make all dey taste the same, because chef Reynas no dey joke with seasoning and know my quantity and quality for everything wey I dey use for my kitchen. If you dey follow my recipe then cooking go be very easy for you. While our chicken dey marinate, we go heat our grill. Medium heat be okay, because we no want our chicken make e burn at all. Now place our chicken for inside the grill. Make you make sure say if na oven you dey use like how I dey use, make you no make am make the heat dey too high, because we want make this chicken be perfectly cooked inside out. As you dey see, our chicken don dey brown for one side. After that, we go flip am as you dey see am for here. If any other seasoning dey, you go just rub am for there, and then you go push am back for inside oven make e dey continue for the cook. You dey see the juice? Na wetin that we want. That juice be so flavorful. You go carry spoon dey take some of that juice still pour am on top the chicken, so that the inside go really be moist and soft when we dey chop am. Now wey we don finally flip am for the other side again for the last time, we go still put our juice on top. We go rub am very well. We go use our brush the sauce on top very well, so that everything go penetrate the bone. At the end of it, una go see am say our chicken, everything it is sweet for mouth. No be mouth, chef Reynas know how for cook. People wey don chop my food they dey testify. You no fit chop my food one time, you no come back for the second time. I sabi cook, no be moi moi. So make am say make you follow all this my recipes dem, make you share am. And even if you get problem for cook, you fit link me up. I go teach you. I go get special classes with you. I go teach you how to cook, and I go teach you how to make all things traditional meal, intercontinental dish, anything cooking, juicing, baking. I dey there. I go teach una. So na the reason that I dey beg una, make una dey continue dey share my videos. Even super thanks dey for there. Una fit give me super thanks na. Una fit do anything so that una go motivate me for do more. See how juicy this chicken be. Una dey see how the chicken don come out. The inside be very soft. The chicken be smoky for the outside. And na the real homemade barbecue chicken dey. See as I just line am for tray. Tell me say if I call you make you catch up for my house today, you no go come. I no dey disappoint at all. Even everybody wey dey come around me, you no wan leave me because I sabi cook. I dey cook anytime wey you want make I cook for you. Anything wey you want cookable, I dey there. I know my work. I know my handwork, and I dey cook am well well. See that chicken. You see as e burn? You know see as e fresh? You know see as e brown? You know see as e soft? Very nice. Tell me say you go make this chicken, and comment down below if your own comot as my own comot. Because una know say I dey for here for correct una mistake and for teach una new recipes every week. Thank una so much, and continue for watch this video, continue for share, continue for comment, continue for like. Now I want make una taste this chicken. Or una no wan taste, una taste with me oh. Now so I go cut one corn dey. See as chicken dey just pull out. See as the chicken soft. See as the chicken dey follow me. Who wan chop? Who wan chop? Who wan chop dis chicken? Dis chicken sweet well well. Abeg una try dis recipe and thank me later. See una next time. Bye bye.